it's Jennifer with ZP Addiction Adventures, and I can't believe that I get to show you another post review. I'm just whipping through these, right? I actually have a whole collection of them, and I just do them back to back when I have my space cleared. And so I've been cleaning today, and I thought this would be a great time just to show you what I've been doing. So this is Mona from Diamond Art Club. It's a 61 by 41 centimeter, and the artist is Hannah Lynn. It's a full round drill. Absolutely loved it. I purchased it because I live in Michigan and we love our apples in the autumn, and I just loved the reds and the greens. I loved her hair, just everything about it. So this is the sticker that came with it. Look how pretty she is. And I have in my logbook, it's from Diamond Art Club, 33 colors. Out of those 33, 3 were ABs. The cost was $39.99. I purchased it last year, May 23rd, 2020. It shipped the very next day, and I don't remember when I received it, but I know it was a couple days after, usually 3 to 6 business days after. I started it with the Hannah-thon. So it was October 1st, and I finished it October 28th. So excited. I'm going to put in the little eye up here, if I can find it, my unboxing, if you want to go back and look at my oohs and my ahs. As of this time, they still do sell it on Diamond Art Club. I don't know if you'd have to pre-order, put it on your wish list, or if you can purchase it flat out, but it is still available as a design. So my post review. First off, the canvas glue. There were several areas that were very slippery. And what I mean by slippery is you go to put down the drill and the drill shifts. I don't know what it was, if it's because it's been a year, I'm not sure, but it did not take away from the essence of the painting. I didn't have to use glue, anything like that. It's just I had to be careful in certain areas of the canvas how I put the drills down. The symbol clarity. Now let me show you. I gave that, so the glue I gave 4 stars instead of 5. The symbol clarity is 4 stars because there are 2 right here. This dot and this line, okay? Whew. Because they are right next to each other, if you don't have your glasses on, if you have your light pad on the wrong way, or if there's any type of blur, these look a lot alike. And plus, sometimes you'd have like 3 lines and 2 dots. 3 dots, 1 line. And so because of that, it was really hard. If you're going to use the same, these are very close colors. If you're going to use the same close colors, I do recommend going to a completely different style of symbol. If this double dot were a blue or a red, it wouldn't have been an issue. But because they were right next to each other, literally in the same line or right above, it was very difficult. I'm sure there's many mistake placements, but the nice thing is they are the same, like very close colors. So even if there are mistakes, you can't tell. Drill quality, quantity, did I run out? I did not run out. Now this one, because I was doing like 4 at the same time, I was lazy. So I kept them in the bags, and then I would, clip them or fold them over. I had a whole bag of 310s left. The reason I had 2 bags of 321s is I actually completely substituted all the 321s with ABs. So I went out and purchased like 3 bags of ABs from my favorite special drill stores. That's also another reason why I have a whole bag of 606s, because I did the same thing. I substituted with ABs. These are from other... All right. Now, I have a whole bag of 700s because I actually replaced with crystal, round crystal 700s, which I'll show you in a minute. 742, I did replace 100% with ABs, so that's why I have them unopened. Then the rest of them, I have to be careful, are all open. They're all in here. One spilled, you can see. So I have quite the thing ahead of me in putting these in my spare drills, but I did not run out of any colors. the design success, I think, was phenomenal, and the experience was phenomenal. I do have to find my sticker to stick here. I can't remember if they were even including small stickers when I purchased this. I'll have to go look at my unboxing. I have stickers everywhere, so that's why I have this just in here, because then I can see the photo. This photo is a little too big. I don't want to actually stick it in there. And the reason I have these still here is because I didn't use any storage. I just used the bags and then taped them shut. So that's that. Now I want to dig into showing you the changes. I'm so excited to show you this. So her eyes, I actually put in crystals. Let me grab what I did. I put in Moonstone sparklers from DP with Sparklers. So that's in here. You'll see. I also did some of the white ABs. In her hair, instead of 700s, I did the green crystals like I showed you. I was very specific on certain ABs because if I replaced all of the colors, her hair would be too bling, bling, bling. I don't like to replace the black because I like the depth. Black ABs tend to have a blue or green or sometimes purple iridescent, and I felt like in this picture that would take away. Yeah, so I did do some crystals. I did some ABs through here. I love this little, almost looks like a little leaf, but this little tie in her hair I did with ABs. I love how the pumpkins and her wings turned out with just a little touch of AB. She's holding an apple here. And I was very selective on which colors, because if I have too much AB, because it's already super sparkly, then it's going to detract from the depth. So I really enjoyed, like here, I just did a couple. You can see some of the oranges in there, but then there's regular. Here you can see how there's some ABs next to the crystals, next to the regular stones. It just turned out great. Up here in the sky, I did mostly ABs, but this blue in the middle around the cloud was not, just to kind of give it some depth. And the tree. So I'm very excited how this turned out. I hope, because I have a red wall behind me in my craft area, I'm hoping I can figure out how to put this behind me as well, because you guys see I have the red paintings behind me. And when you see my lives. So I'm very excited about this. Thank you so, so much. I love the Hannah-thon, and I can't wait till the next one. Check out Beth with Shine Like a Diamond. She usually is the one that helps put it on and then grabs someone to help her with it. And I'm super excited. So I hope you enjoy this. Go check out Mona. If you like greens and reds and just love the experience of playing, this is a great one to personalize as well. You can't go wrong. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.